Today, we're checking out this mini body cam that I have here. What's really cool about this is that it comes with a 128 gigabyte memory card that goes into the camera, and it has this neat little clip. You can clip it onto you can clip it onto your shirt. Most phones have like automatic video stabilization when you're using them, but so does this thing, which is pretty cool. And it's gonna help a lot because it's a lot smaller and a lot more compact rather than having a giant phone in my face. Ooh, look how cool that is. But you would technically wear this under your shirt, so you just have a camera right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna long press this to turn it on. The light should come on. Yep, there it is. It also vibrates to let you know that it is on. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to press the Wi-Fi button. This is the top one. Just short press it once. It vibrates, it's letting me know that it's searching. And then I'm going to follow the instructions to connect it to my phone through Wi-Fi. This is actually really, really cool. Because I have the camera connected to the app on my phone, I can pull the video files directly off the camera into my phone files. So that's really exciting, which means I probably won't even utilize this that much, but I could if I needed to. Blue light means it's recording, so that means it can see you right now, which is great. But we're gonna end it here. I'm going to make my cookie video and, well, we'll see how it looks. Blue light means it's recording, so that means it can see you right now, which is great. But we're gonna end it here. I'm going to make my cookie video and, well, we'll see how it looks.